adaptable. Ease of use. One of the best things about the Cuisinart ICE-21 is its ease of use. It has a simple on/off switch, which makes it easy to operate. The ice cream maker is also easy to assemble and disassemble, making it easy to clean and store. The transparent lid allows you to monitor the progress of your ice cream while it churns. This is a great feature for those who want to experiment with different flavors and textures. The ICE-21 also comes with a recipe book that includes a variety of ice cream, sorbet, and frozen yogurt recipes. This makes it easy for users to experiment with different flavors and combinations. Design and durability. The Cuisinart ICE-21 has a compact and sleek design that looks great on an countertop. The mixing bowl, mixing paddle, and lid are made of high-quality materials that are durable and easy to clean. The motor is also powerful and reliable, ensuring that the ice cream maker will last for years with consistent use. The ICE-21 is covered by a 3-year limited warranty, which provides peace of mind for users. This is a great feature for those who want to invest in a high-quality ice cream maker that will last for years. Pros and cons. Pros. The Cuisinart ICE-21 is an affordable ice cream maker that delivers consistent and delicious results. The ICE-21 has a powerful motor that churns the ice cream mixture quickly and efficiently, resulting in a smooth and creamy texture. The mixing paddle is designed to move in a way that ensures the ice cream mixture is evenly churned, resulting in a consistent texture throughout the ice cream. The ICE-21 has a capacity of 1.5 quarts, which is enough to make approximately 6 servings of ice cream. The ICE-21 is easy to use and clean, making it a great option for beginners and experienced ice cream makers alike. The ICE-21 comes with a recipe book that includes a variety of ice cream, sorbet, and frozen yogurt recipes, making it easy to experiment with different flavors and combinations. The ICE-21 is covered by a 3-year limited warranty, providing peace of mind for users. Cons. The ICE-21 has a relatively small capacity, which may not be suitable for larger gatherings or for those who want to make a lot of ice cream at once. The ICE-21 takes about 20 minutes to churn the ice cream mixture, which may be longer than some users are willing to wait. The ICE-21 requires pre-freezing of the mixing bowl, which can be inconvenient for users who want to make ice cream on short notice. The ICE-21 is not as versatile as some other ice cream makers on the market, as it is primarily designed for making ice cream and frozen yogurt. The ICE-21 does not come with a built-in timer or automatic shut-off feature, which may be a drawback for some users. Comparisons to other ice cream makers. When compared to other ice cream makers on the market, the Cuisinart ICE-21 stands out for its affordability and ease of use. It is a great option for those who want to make homemade ice cream without breaking the bank. However, it may not be the best option for users who want more versatility or a larger capacity. The KitchenAid ice cream maker attachment is a popular option for those who already own a KitchenAid stand mixer. It is a versatile option that can make a variety of frozen desserts, including ice cream, sorbet, and gelato.